Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Focus radio. First, gather all the necessary tools, such as trim removal tools, a screwdriver, and a socket set. Remember to disconnect your car's battery for safety before you begin any work. Also, make sure you have the correct replacement radio unit for your specific Ford Focus model. This preparation ensures a smooth installation process. Now, let's remove the old radio. Begin by carefully prying off the trim panels around the radio using your trim removal tools to avoid damage. Once the trim is off, you'll see the mounting bolts or screws. Unscrew these to free the unit. Gently pull the old radio out of the dashboard opening, then disconnect all the wiring harnesses from the back. With the old unit out, it's time to install your new radio. First, connect any necessary wiring harness adapters to your vehicle's existing connectors. Then, carefully slide the new radio into the dashboard opening, ensuring it seats properly and clicks into place. Finally, secure the new radio using its mounting screws or bolts, making sure it is firmly in position. You're almost done. Carefully reattach all the trim panels around the radio, making sure they fit snugly and securely. Once everything is back in place, reconnect your car's battery. Turn on the ignition and thoroughly test all the functions of your new radio, including the sound, station tuning, and any other controls, to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.